So I'll grant the continuance. Now the harder question becomes the release of Mr. Sampson.
A Washington County man charged with first-degree murder has been ordered released to home confinement following a major delay in his upcoming trial. Eric Larsen Sampson appeared before Judge Eric Gentry right behind me at 5th District Court in St. George Monday for a key hearing, less than 2 weeks before his scheduled jury trial for the murder of his wife, Nikki A. Sampson, in September of last year. Police were called to the couple's home last fall and found Nikki Sampson unconscious, bruised, and unresponsive. Sampson was arrested at the scene and had remained in jail without bail until now. The delay comes after prosecutors uncovered a large cache of evidence late last week.
All in all, I believe that we're somewhere close to 700 to 800 pages of documents that were simply missed in this case. I became aware of those documents as I was preparing for trial. Each of those documents are referenced in the police report, or summarized to some level within some of the supplemental reports in this incident. However, again, I acknowledge that falls on the state, that we did not catch those documents, did not provide those. Those have since been provided to defense.
Prosecutor Lane Wood said the oversight was discovered while preparing for trial and has yet to be viewed by either side. With this new evidence, Judge Gentry said postponing the trial was unavoidable.
I think it is probably fair at this point to release Mr. Sampson. I do so grudgingly because I do acknowledge, as Mr. Wood points out, that many of the same concerns that the court previously stated have not been alleviated by the court, but the court finds that with the proposal of counsel, the court can alleviate those concerns, at least to a great degree.
The state argued for Sampson to remain in jail, but Prosecutor Wood did say if the defendant was released, he asked that Sampson remain on home detention, while Douglas Terry, Sampson's defense attorney, asked that their client be released with monitoring for alcohol use. Judge Eric Gentry ordered Sampson released on strict conditions. He will remain on home confinement, wearing a GPS ankle monitor and a Scram alcohol detection monitor, which continuously tracks alcohol consumption in real time. A status hearing is now scheduled in August to determine the next steps in the case. See the full story by Cody Blowers on stgeorgenews.com. This is Monica McLaughlin with St. George News, your #1 source for local news.